Observation. Oh my gosh! The fan's not blowing! Research. I better do some research so I can figure out why the fan's not blowing. Searching Google about fans. Hypothesis. Now that I've done my research, I think I'll make an educated guess. I bet it's not working because it's not plugged in. Design and do the experiment. So, if that's my hypothesis, I bet if I plug this in, it'll turn on. I'm going to do my experiment. Gather and analyze data. So, I plugged it in, and the fan started blowing. I plugged it in, the fan started blowing. It's still blowing air. This is awesome. Conclusion. Eureka! I bet if I plug in any fan, it'll turn on. Yes, I knew it. The fan turns on because I plugged it in. That's my conclusion. Share. I better share this with the world. I'm going to write down all of my steps that I did. I'm going to write down what my answer was and my conclusion. And then I'm going to send it to a journal and send. Perfect. Now all the scientists in the world have exactly what I did in my experiment. Do further research. Hello, I am scientist in Russia. Let me see what is in the experiments today. That is a very cool experiment. I think I will do that too and do further knowledge and research.